like Grandma would be watching. Don't fall. You lean out too far, you're going to regret it. Anyway.
No, don't let him get too close, honey.
He's not bothering
You
her.
keep bothering her that way.
Well, he's excited.
Not too close. Put him up there, yeah, but
He
far
wants
away.
to play with her.
Yeah.
But I'm afraid he's going to fall off. That's why. He's so off on the edge to watch. Okay, I'm going to go pack the dishes.
No, lucky. She's eating. No, lucky, no.